Hi students, in this video we'll start a new lesson, that is a poem named To a Butterfly, which was written by William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth mostly writes poem on nature. He observes the things, the living beings, and write the poems. And in his poem there's a deep meaning. And this is also a wonderful poem. Should pay attention and listen. I have watched you now a full half hour. The first line, what does it mean? Poet is telling that from half an hour I am watching you. Self poised upon that yellow flower. Self poised means sitting gracefully without moving. So where is the butterfly sitting? On the yellow flower. And little butterfly, indeed. Of course, it is a little butterfly. Indeed means of course. Yes, exactly. It is a little butterfly. I know not if you sleep or feed. मुझे ये नहीं पता that you are slept. Feed मतलब खाना खा लिया. I know not. I do not know. That means I do not know. How motionless, not frozen, seas. Motionless means without even moving a little bit, not at all moving. That means motionless. Not frozen seas. Frozen seas means the seas and rivers, like in the winter in the foreign countries it become like ice. So that we call frozen. Even if you keep the water bottles in the freezer, it becomes frozen. So the butterfly is sitting like frozen, like without moving, without any motion, more motionless. And then what joy awaits you when the breeze hath found you out among the trees. So it's sitting there without any motion, like frozen seas. But what happens when it feels happy? When the breeze, when the cool breeze, or when the little breeze, when it starts, what happens? It slowly moves from the among the trees and calls you forth again, and calls you outside again. So when the breeze comes, this butterfly feels happy, and the breeze is calling the butterfly outside the trees. This plot of orchard ground is ours. Plot means this place. This place, orchard means the place only fruits are grown. Only fruit. You can find only fruits there. My sisters, they are. My trees, they are. My sisters' flowers. So that fruit trees belongs to the poet, and the flowers belongs to the sister, the poet's sisters. Here rest your wings when they are weary. So what he is telling, I have a place where we have only the fruit trees and my sister's flowers. There you can rest your wings when you are tired. The poet is telling, when you are tired, you can rest your wings. You can take rest in his plot. Here lodge as in a sanctuary. Lodge means a place to live. You can live here as you live in a sanctuary. Sanctuary means it's a place specially set up for the birds, and it is very safe there. It is not like cage. They can move around the trees, they can move around the flowers. So you can live, the poet is telling that the butterfly can live in his plot, and it is safe there. Come often to us, fear no wrong. बीच बीच में आते रहना, don't be afraid. Sit near us on the bough. Please sit near us on the branch of a tree. Bough means branch of a tree. We'll talk of sunshine and of song. हम sunshine के बारे में बात करेंगे. When the butterfly will sit near to the poet, he's telling that we'll talk of sunshine and of song, and summer days when we were young, sweet childish days, that were as long as 20 days are now. So what the poet is telling, when the butterfly will sit near him, he will talk about the sunshine, song, and how did he spend his young and childish days during the summer days, which are only 20 days now. मतलब he is telling that these childhood days just ऐसे निकल जाते हैं जैसे 20 दिन होता है. आजकल की जो 20 दिन है ना, वो चाइल्डहुड डेज ऐसे उसका गुजर गया था. So that's what he's telling. So in this poem he is talking about the butterfly, as well as he's telling the importance of the childish days, which is really enjoyable, and it finished so fast. Those childish days ended so fast. That is what the poet has meant here. The first stanza, he is telling the butterfly that it is not at all moving, sitting on the yellow flower and waiting for the joy of breeze. And here the poet is inviting the butterfly to his orchard, where it can rest when it is tired, and there is nothing to fear in his plot. And when the butterfly will sit near to the poet, he will talk about sunshine, song, and how did he spend his young and sweet childish days during the summer days, which is just 20 days are now. Actually it is not 20 days only, but इतनी जल्दी गुजर जाता है जैसे लगता है कि 20 दिन ही हुआ है. That is the real meaning behind it. So learn the word meanings. Thank you.